Boy, it's freaking pitch black down there.
Yeah, you're on point though. I can see all the bubbles coming out.
Yeah, I've got it now. I've got me. I'm gonna start back here.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, what I could do, I figured out I could look up and see the boat.
Yeah.
I mean, it ain't really great. You can't tell if you're exactly, but you can kind of see a haze, you know. So, but tell me, see if that looks anything like it.
Wow, that's awesome, man! Holy shit! How far did
it was like you know, all right. So here's the front of the boat where that metal piece comes up to the nose, to the bow. Like right when it hits the water, probably about that 2 foot